Good day everyone, I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing an unwrapping of the Dooney Bourke domed satchel. This is my first satchel or first Dooney Bourke piece in the color Spearmint. I hadn't really paid much attention to this color, but I did like this silhouette and I wanted to get a different color that I already have. So I went with the Spearmint, and when it arrived and I opened it, I was very happy with the color. So this is the tag for it. And this color, I think it could be for year round actually. It is definitely a beautiful spring and summer color. But I plan on carrying it in the fall. Possibly the winter too. This is definitely a good choice for, looks like a scuff there. I hope I can rub that out. This is definitely a good choice for Satchel September. And another feature I liked on this, y'all, when I saw it, let me get my scissors. This purse has tassels. I'm always nervous at this part. That looks like the most safest way to get the tape off. But yes, it has tassels on the ends of the zipper pull, which I thought was definitely a beautiful added touch to the silhouette itself. I don't have any Spearmint accessories at the moment. I am going to at least order the medium pebble grain wristlet in the color Spearmint, so I'll have something for it. But outside of that, I would probably try to pair this with either my plumes, blue plumes large zip around wristlet, or maybe even the Art Deco wristlet, because I think that would be pretty with it. That is so pretty. It's like such a I think that's a very classy silhouette, and it's taller than the zip. Trying to make sure that's fully in the shot. So maybe that's what kind of makes it stand out different, and of course the tassels as well. Also, what differs from the zip, it does have the zipper pocket here on the back, and it does go all the way down to the bottom. And actually, I have this silhouette in the white Greta print with the black DB on it, but I don't have this color in any other silhouette. So let's see what's inside. Does come with the Dooney Bourke dust bag. It does have a shoulder and crossbody strap as well. And it is really stuffed, which I like because it ensures that it doesn't get any creases in transport. Comment below, y'all. Let me know if this is a satchel silhouette that you have, and if so, what you like about it, and if you carry it often as well. Okay, The inside, you have a zipper, a pretty long zipper here. It goes across the full back. Yes, that's the back side of the purse. And a long slip pocket on the front of that. And then on the front side of the purse, there is the larger slip pocket and the more smaller slip pocket. And it's a good depth to it as well. I'll try to add the measurements in the description for it. And the key keeper is keeping the strap together. I don't really want to open this now, but I'll take a peek, and that way I can confirm that the leathers match. And they do. Isn't that pretty, y'all? So I hope this is coming up as a pretty, it kind of looks blue on camera. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn my flash off and see if that makes a difference. Let's see. No, it still looks blue. But at least I'll try to make sure the thumbnail shows the right color for it, to show that it is like a pretty, it's like a darker colored mint green. Let me try bringing it closer to see if that makes any difference. It does have feet. It's a little scuff on here, y'all. Look. And it was wrapped all the way up. So hopefully that's like, I don't know. I was hoping maybe with some glue or something that I could rub off. But I'm not going to return it just for that. But a closer up look to see, it kind of looks blue on camera. Hopefully that's just my eyes playing tricks on me. But this is it, y'all. This is the Dooney Bourke Dome Satchel in the color Spearmint, with these beautiful pull, tassel pull tabs. And it can be worn as or carried as a top handle carry, a shoulder bag with the strap, or a crossbody. And the only accessory I have for now, I do have a caramel zip around wristlet, and then I have this caramel medium wristlet as well to pair with it. Excuse me. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope everyone is enjoying Satchel September. It's also Silhouette September as well, so your favorite silhouettes, you can definitely showcase those also in addition to your satchels. Unless the satchel's your favorite silhouette, then it's Silhouette September and Satchel September. So thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, have a wonderful day.